How to change name on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisner, and today I'll guide you on how you can change name on Facebook. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up Facebook. You want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and then you want to tap on the settings with the gear icon just below the hamburger icon. Once you do so, you want to head into the account center option from settings and privacy, and here you can see various options. You want to head into the option that's its profiles. You want to simply tap on profile and wait for it to load up. Once it loads up, you can see I have my Facebook and Instagram connected, so both of the accounts are showing up. Since you want to change your Facebook name, you want to tap on Facebook account there, and now you can see name option. You want to tap on it. Now you'll be able to see your account name here. You can simply cross tap on it and then clear it up and enter in your new name, and then tap on review change, and if the change is available, you'll be able to change your name. So this way you can change your name on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.